In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if microphone is connected but not working on your Windows. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to open settings. So we have to click on the start button and click on the settings icon. And here in the list of options on the left end, we just need to simply click on privacy and security. And then we have to scroll down and under app permissions, we can find microphone. So click on that. Now we need to make sure that microphone access is enabled by turning it on. So anyone using this device can choose if their apps have microphone access when this is on. So if this is switched on. Also for let apps access your microphone, make sure the button is switched on, especially for those applications that needs to access your microphone like Messenger or WhatsApp, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, or any other applications that needs to access your microphone. You can enable that from here by switching the button on. Then once done, we need to click on the system right here on the left pane. Then we need to click on sound as the second option. And we just need to simply scroll down and we can find the option more sound settings. Click on that. And this window will appear from here. So in this window, we just need to simply click on the recording tab and here we can find your microphone. So make sure this is set as the default device. You just have to click on it and click on set default. Then click on it and click on properties button. Then you will find another properties button. Click on that. And this window will appear. So you have to click on the driver tab. Now if you have the option right here to update the driver, then you just need to simply click on update the driver. And then once you're updated, you need to close this window. And then again, in this same window for sound settings, you have to click on your microphone and click on properties. Now here you can find the listen tab. Click on that. Make sure that listen to this device. You can enable that from here. And then for the playback through this device, this is default playback device. And the same thing as what you can see on the screen. And you just need to click on apply and click on OK. Then you just have to simply click on microphone again, click on properties. Now here we need to click on the levels tab. Make sure this is not set to the lowest. Make sure this is set to the maximum or the desired volume that you want. Okay, so that's it. If any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.